this.
Oh my goodness.
I know, and then you can bring home all of this.
It's right?
Yes, try it. Actually, it looks good. I know.
Yum yum.
Halo teman-teman, selamat datang di Bina Channel. Teman-teman di BART ku lagi ada di sini dan dia tuh cerita kalau dia barusan jadi warga Kanada di Pura. Nah, aku mau kasih kejutan. Nggak kejutan sih, aku cuman kayak pengen ngerayain bareng dia. Jadinya aku pikiran untuk bikin martabak manis dan kebetulan banget dia suka banget makan yang manis-manis teman-teman. Oh ya, aku harus belanja dulu ya karena ada beberapa hal yang aku nggak punya. Oke, see you. Ternyata aku nggak punya stok SKM di pantry, jadi harus beli dulu. Nah ini seperti teman-teman lihat, harganya nggak nanggung banget, 56.800 cuman buat satu kaleng kecil ini. Jadi biasanya aku kalau masak sesuatu yang pakai SKM tuh selalu terbuang-buang, karena emang nggak pernah dipakai selain untuk kayak gitu ya buat manisan. Nah dan aku juga nggak punya baking soda. Nah kalau di sini harganya baking soda 22.600 teman-teman. Dan selain itu aku juga beli keju ya, karena juga aku nggak ada kejunya. Dan sekarang kita proses membikin. Nah ini aku pakainya yang pakai susu ya, banyak resepnya nggak pakai susu, tapi aku lebih suka pakai susu karena lebih creamy, jadi lebih enak rasanya. Dan kalau nggak salah itu tepungnya aku pakai kalau nggak 150 200 gram teman-teman. Well, aku lupa catat resepnya, jadi ya ini tengah-tengah aja ya. Yang pasti aku pakai vanilla bubuk, terus aku juga tadi pakai baking powder dulu. Nah ini jadi adonan pertamanya. Terus dicampur-campur nanti sampai kekentalannya nggak terlalu kental tapi nggak terlalu cair juga ya. Dan aku kasih sedikit garam biar ada gurihnya. Campur-campur lagi. Nah ini nggak kelihatan di video ya teman-teman, tapi ini sebenarnya aku campur pakai air juga sampai aku mencapai kekentalan yang diinginkan. Jadi nah ini masih agak kental dan nah ini udah lebih baik. Kita tutup, diamin selama 30-1 jam. Setelahnya itu aku pakai baking soda dan telur teman-teman sebagai tambahannya, dan aku lupa rekor jadi nggak kelihatan. By the way, jangan lupa dikasih mentega ke teflonnya teman-teman, jadi biar nggak lengket adonannya. Well, aku ini bikin martabak manis udah karena berapa kali trial ya, jadi dulu sering gagal dan akhirnya menemukan salah satu resep yang menurut aku memang work banget untuk masalah bikin sarangnya. Kalau menurut pengalamanku memang itu letaknya ada pada di baking soda teman-teman. Jadi sebelum teman-teman bikin cetakan adonannya itu teman-teman masukin baking soda dulu gitu. Nah habis itu dikocok. Nah setelah dikocok lama baru teman-teman masukin. Nah itu pasti dijamin sarangnya bakal cantik banget. Dan untuk apinya sendiri jadi teman-teman panasin, terus kalau udah panas teman-teman kurangin gitu, jadi jangan sampai gosong di luar gitu kan, karena nanti takutnya di dalamnya masih tebel, di luarnya udah gosong gitu. Nah itu kalau teman-teman lihat sarangnya udah mulai muncul. Nah kalau udah muncul aku taruh mentega, salah maksudnya gula. Salpok, aku kasih gula teman-teman. Nanti kalau udah agak kering baru aku masukin mentega. Dan banyak banget sih teman-teman kalau ngeliat aku bikin martabak manis, so ini kurang itu, nggak semuanya aku masukin di video teman-teman, jadi kadang tuh kepotong jadi nggak kelihatan gitu. It's huge.
More big.
Yeah, bigger. Yeah, so this one, right? And then we put the chocolate sprinkle on it. I already put like a margarine on the top of it before. And this is Indonesian love this. You love sweet, you said, right? Do you like cheese? I like cheese, so I'm gonna just shred some cheese over here. Oh hi guys, by the way this is Aleida. I make Aleida Indonesian pancake and she loves sweets. So that's why I make this one for her, showing her Indonesian favorite, sweets. So this pancake we don't eat it for breakfast, it's actually we eat it for after dinner.
Silvan, after Silvan, no more eat.
I know. With the Indonesians, like, we love it. So, and then this is the peanut. That gives like a very good crunchiness.
Wow.
Yeah. Put peanut on it. I know, right? It's crazy. You have to work out after eating this. And then the condensed milk. So, like this. Well, it's not really giving a lot. Okay, like this, I guess. So, I think we're good.
Looks nice.
I know. Now, we're gonna flip it and we're gonna cut it and you can try. I hope you like it. Right? This is in the half. I think I'm just gonna cut it now so I can it's easier to flip it. Wow, look at that. So, like this.
Oh my goodness.
I know, and then we're gonna cut it so that it's easier to eat. And this is for you, Alida. You can bring home all of this.
You try?
Yes! Try it! Try it! Try it! Actually, it looks good. Actually, it looks good. Okay? Oh, Ruffles is not for you, Mama.
Sorry, Shuful, but you not try.
Indonesian love to put everything in there.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Really, really, it's so good.
Good, approved by Aleda, guys. Aleda loves to bake, and she's a good baker. And she used to work at the bakery. So now she tried Indonesian sweet things, and she likes it. Good. Good. I know.
So good.
Yeah, this is for you actually, and congratulations for your citizenship. Aleda is now a Canadian, guys. I have this. We're gonna put it inside for you to bring home. You can share with your husband if he likes something sweet like you. If has like a sweet tip.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just like that, yeah, it works, right?
So good.
Yeah. Now you try the first Indonesian sweet. I know that is really good.
Nothing for you.
Oh, we have it. I have already semacam the other one. It's we share the other one. Yeah, because I wanted to make it for you. So yeah, I'm happy you like it.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, it's better than this flat pancake.
Yeah, it's different, but it's so good.
That's true. That's different. Yeah. So for the breakfast, we don't eat this. It's too heavy for breakfast. So once it's like 6 o'clock evening, and people are gonna start to sell this one. So this is basically after dinner snack. Heavy one.
It's so good.
It is good. Yay! Approved, guys. So what do you like about it?
It's different. Cheese. Everything it sweet, no cheese. But the cheese in the one is good.
Is it too sweet or is it good sweet?
No, it's not too much sweet, but it's
The crunchy and the peanuts, the peanutty and everything, yeah. I see you enjoying it.
yeah, enjoy. So sweet, Nancy.
Oh, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Yay! Now Aleda have snacks to go home because it's a long ride back home. Yeah, thank you so much,
2
Aleda.
hours.
Yeah, oh, I know traffic, guys.
So good. Thank you, Nancy.
You're welcome. So, see you in 2 weeks. Yes?
Yeah.
See you in 2 weeks. Bye, guys! Hai teman-teman, so another success dan aku senang banget masih bisa kasih hal-hal kecil ya buat Aleda karena dia senang banget pas tadi datang terus dia yang excited bilang, aku udah jadi orang Kanada gitu Senin kemarin. Nah makanya aku tadi kepikiran, ya udah deh aku coba bikinin sesuatu buat merayakan dan aku tahu dia tuh suka banget makanan yang sweet gitu. Nah makanya udah 2 tahun nggak bikin martabak manis dan yeay sukses teman-teman dan dia senang banget. Jadi setelah aku tadi stop videonya kan ya, terus tiba-tiba dia jadi chatty gitu teman-teman, dia agak kagok gitu di depan kamera dan dia bilang itu tuh enak banget kata dia. Jadi tuh enaknya tuh beda gitu karena kadang katanya kalau misalnya makan kayak cake gitu tuh kan kadang suka enak ya karena terlalu banyak gulanya, terlalu manis gitu kata dia. Nah ini tuh pas banget gitu, jadi beda rasa enaknya katanya dia. Nah dia tuh agak kagok karena dia juga bahasa Inggrisnya masih terbatas ya gitu, jadi dia lebih pede kalau ngomong tuh di luar kamera. Tapi sweet banget karena dia tetap mau di videoin teman-teman. So itu dia, terima kasih buat teman-teman yang udah nonton mini vlognya and see you in the next video. Take care dan jangan lupa untuk di like, di subscribe dan juga di share videonya teman-teman ya biar aku juga makin semangat nge-vlognya. Oke, bye bye.